Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have cyclohexane, you have bromine, methyl and deuterium below the plane. All the functional groups are stereochemically specified. You are reacting with base. You have to find what will be the final product. Here you are using the base and definitely elimination reaction occurs. Strong base promote the elimination reaction. This reaction can be easily understood by chair form because cyclohexane chair form is more stable than twisted boat and half chair. So we draw in the chair form with stereochemical relationship. If you look at it, Br is trans to deuterium, so it will eliminate because the elimination reaction is E2 reaction. It requires antiperiplanar position, meaning both should be 180 to each other. Elimination happened. You have alkene formation. If you redraw nicely, you have alkene with deuterium elimination. The concept we outlined here is E2 elimination require antiperiplanar position of the leaving groups. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.